Hi everyone, back in class today. We're gonna be doing today, what is it called? Testing out this glow in the dark room. Guys, you already know this is gonna work, but it's going dark. So will it actually work? I don't know, but it's going dark. So I'm like, I'm pretty sure it should work. I'm pretty sure it should work. So I don't know, but it should work. So we're gonna add in here, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share your videos. I'm sorry, share this video with anybody of your member, family member, friends. Just share. So it's glowing in the dark, so I'm like nervous to see, but I think it is gonna glow in the dark because I kinda, and guys, you already know the drill. When the glue doesn't come out, I have to cut it. So yeah, be amazed. Be amazed by me cutting. This is actually really hard to get off. But you do get a good amount of fun with this thing. And like this is like 97 cents. I don't know how many I didn't put on my channel. I think I did like 4 on my channel. Maybe 4. Maybe 4. I did about 4. I know I had 4 glitter glows. I know I had it. Holographic. So I basically do different ones. And this is actually taking a long time. So when the other stuff can't come out, I'll have to use, this probably, I don't know, part 4, part 3, somewhere in there, or, okay, so then, see, can I get more out, or do I need to use the scissor, cutting the whole container mode? Okay, we're gonna use the scissor cutting container mode. Ever since, see, you get a good amount. If you already kind of used it already, then I'm pretty sure you want to get that much of amount. But you will get a good amount if you haven't used it already or something like that. Because I am going to add a little color to this one, just because I really want to. Sorry about that, guys. A lot of it wasted on the floor. Luckily, this is a clean floor. So I'm gonna scrape. And this is the glow in the dark one, which you get really a good amount. Okay, guys, I'm sorry for that. Okay. Good amount. We're at our activator now. It's gonna take a little time, but you know how this glue and stuff always do. Just a little time. So you have to. What in the world? What, is it not activating or something? I'll be back. So guys, for some reason, this is not working. Guys, the slide that we just did, don't waste, unless guys, you know the glue is on in the beginning, unless that glue works, because I don't know, maybe my board race was not working, because it made the other slimes, so I don't know, did I do it wrong? But guys, this is actually not slime. I mean, it is slime now, because I added some glue in there, because I was like, I don't want this glue to be a fail, I bought this glue, so I guess you see why I do now, why you guys was talking, assuming, 100 of you guys said, oh, it's gonna work, they're all the same glues, but no, this glue didn't work at all, but I had to add some clear glue, and some more glue in dark glue, because I didn't know if the clear glue would mess it up or not, so, but this glue does not work for slime, unless you can figure out another way, but I tried it, like a whole bunch of times. You saw me pour it in the beginning, you saw it, me mixing, and if you want to compare this video to the other videos of me doing the glitter glue slimes, you can see, so please don't waste your money on it, unless you will have glitter glue or some glue to add to it. But I am so glad that I tried it out, so I know now, but yeah, see, and I moved with you slime. This is like a weird texture. It's like, it doesn't feel like it. Like, it feels weird. Yeah, it's so weird. It's like weird now. So, yeah. And if you don't like a lot of glitter on your hands, don't buy this. It's so much glitter. in my bow as well. So much glitter. So this does not work. Again, I would like and subscribe. And guys, you see what I do? I am gonna still keep buying the glitter glues that I have been buying and stuff. Maybe it's only this one, but I just hope that the other ones work. The blue one, the red one, the green one, and the gold one, please work. But this one didn't work. So I am grateful that I had some clear glue because I know I was gonna do something with it. But this is a beautiful slime. And now for the final truth, do it still glow in the dark? And this was a fail. So, yeah, I tried to say that. This is a show no fail. Because this did not really work. And I guess telling you that for a reason. I don't want you guys to waste your money on something that you think is going to work. That doesn't work. Okay. Let's see. We need some longer. You can kind of see it glowing. So you guys, this slime does glow in the dark. But it's not worth it of wasting your money on. Bye guys. Please like and subscribe. Oh, I didn't end it. I'm sorry. Bye guys.